Which of the following statements are true? Now, in terms of GIS, natural phenomena are usually fields. Man-made phenomena are usually objects. Both 1 and 2 are true. None of the above. Now, what do you think is the correct answer? Now, you got it right. It's both 1 and 2. Natural phenomena are fields. Man-made phenomena are objects. 1 and 2 are both true. In GIS, the fundamental way, the basic way of representing any geography, because GIS is all about showing the geometry and geography in a way representable to the user. So there are two ways to represent it: objects or fields. Objects will always be discrete, fields can be discrete or continuous. Object, and second thing will be field. These two are the way of representing geography. The key difference is fields will always be mostly for naturally occurring phenomena or naturally occurring variables. Object will always be for the man-made objects which people have created, which we have created. As I said, objects will always be discrete, it will not be continuous. Fields can be discrete and continuous. So what is a discrete object view? It is used to represent the real world as objects because it's man-made. So you will find a proper boundary. For example, you can represent something by a point, by a line, a road by a line, a river by a line, a big area, say chunk of land, say desert land, a water area by polygons. So this is all the man-made thing representation. But when we talk about the fields, it will always be for the naturally occurring material, naturally occurring thing, naturally occurring phenomena. So if you have a river, mountain and other natural phenomena, the field view will be there. So it can be discrete also, it can be continuous also. This field view represents the real world as a finite number of variables, each one defined at each possible position. That is, for every position on that field, you will get certain value. But because this is a kind of mountain, so every point will give you a height. So assume it to be like a function, this field. Every input will give you certain output. Every location may give you an elevation value. Every location will give you a temperature or a pressure value.